Here are 25 fast habits you can do right now to change your life. 1. Put an alarm clock outside the room. Getting out of bed to switch off an alarm forces movement and breaks the sleep loop. 2. Wake up before the world. Get up early. Early mornings give you calm and extra time to do the important stuff while others sleep. 3. Make the bed. It gives immediate momentum and tiny discipline grows into real discipline. 4. Don't drink coffee for the first 90 minutes. Your body's natural wake-up hormones do their job, so coffee works better later. 5. Drink a big glass of water while watching the sky. Hydration wakes your brain. Doing it outside or by a window gives calm, resets your circadian rhythm, and makes you feel alive. 6. Cold shower. Finish your regular shower with 30 seconds of cool water. This wakes your nervous system, clears fog, and gives a clean mental hit of confidence. It trains discomfort tolerance. You feel sharper and more capable the rest of the day. 7. 5 minutes of breathing or quiet meditation makes you less reactive, prevents stress. 8. 1 sentence journal plus 1 daily promise. Writing 1 line clarifies 1 top intention. Keeping 1 promise to yourself builds trust with the most important person, you. 9. Water or check your plant. Grow something. Caring for a living thing calms you and gives perspective. It reminds you can maintain things. 10. No screen for the first hour. No social media. No games. The first hour shapes your attention. Start with your priorities, not chaos. 11. 1 solid, focused work hour. 1 uninterrupted, hour beats scattered half hours. 12. Track the hour. Notice how you spend it. Measuring your time makes you less wasteful and helps you improve. 13. Read 10 pages. Small daily reading habit. 10 pages a day builds knowledge and calm. Months of this make you genuinely smarter. Book recommendation. Atomic Habits. The Psychology of Money. Think like a monk. 14. Eat whole foods. Real simple food. Clean food gives steady energy and clearer thinking. Fewer sugar crashes. 15. Phone-free walk in nature. 15 to 20 minutes. Walking in nature clears the mind, boosts creativity, and reduces stress hormones. 16. 20 to 30 minutes of micro practice on a skill, art, writing, lifting. Small daily practice stacks into real skill. You'll actually get better. 17. Lift weights or do short strength work. Strength training changes your hormones, boosts mood, and makes your day-to-day easier. It gives confidence. 18. Second focused work block, 45 to 60 minutes. Lets you finish work for the day without stress. 19. Self-respect. Respecting your own time means you stop making small bad choices. 20. Call your mom or a friend. It reduces stress and reminds you why you're working hard. Relationships are a high return investment. 21. Write down 3 wins from the day. Noticing wins builds momentum and reduces the "I did nothing" lie your brain tells you at night. 22. Reading, prayer or quiet reflection. Calms your mind and helps you sleep. 23. Phone-free evening walk. Walking without your phone disconnects you from noise, lowers stress, and helps sleep. 24. 10 to 15 minutes of sleep meditation or breathing before bed, and set an alarm for the next day. It clears the day's noise and improves sleep. Better sleep equals better everything. 25. Like and subscribe. Now follow this routine of habits every day and see your life change.